唱着唱，杨氏要五，杨氏要五，报道怪，杨氏水水牛。也不叫你。
Ready for scanning at the gate. You may board the flight with one carry-on bag that fits an overhead bin and one personal item that fits the seat in front of you. Good evening and thank you for patiently waiting. Cebu Pacific Air Flight 5J647 bound for Puerto Princesa is now inviting guests aboard through gate number 1.
Yun na. Vacation starts now.
Next, go to board the flight 5J647 bound for Puerto Princesa to gate number 120. Our guests assigned under boarding group number 2. Once again, guests assigned under boarding group number 2 are those online check-in guests.
Kuya Hans, look at me. Lapit na. This is it, Kuya Hans. This is what we've been praying for. Di ba you prayed for this, Kuya? Yes? Di ba? Kuya Hans and Noah prayed for this. Wait lang, Kuya, wait lang. Just wait for them. Yan, okay. Here. Hawak lang, hawak. Hold together. Wow! That's the cabin entry door. Cabin entry door. Kuya, hawak lang kayo. Yeah. Hold daw ah. Yan. Hold together. It's the cabin entry door. Yeah. Diba you prayed for this? Diba you prayed for this?
I'm doing the weaver. I'm doing the weaver. Kaya we're inside there. We're almost inside the airplane.
Yeah.
Inside it inside. I'm going to go.
Yan na, yan na. Hello, say hello, baby. Say hello. Hello. Hello, Cebu Pacific. Hello, Cebu Pacific people. Come on. Say hello. Hello. 29. Let's go. Baby, go straight lang ha.
Here.
Di ba anak? Go straight doon tayo.
Here.
29. Di pa anak. Go straight. Layo pa, layo.
Here.
Doon pa anak. Dulo, at the back.
Ay po. Dito pa?
Doon pa.
Dito pa o dito?
Doon. Layo pa, layo. Doon pa. 29. Ako, follow kuya. Yan na, follow kuya. Yan na, yay! Dapat na ng 29 na.
Please unfasten your seatbelt and put your seatbelt upright. Use of electronic
Dalawang aisle.
devices such as laptops, mobile phones,
PCDE.
tablets, and any spark-producing equipment.
Alright, go baby, sit down na. Ayan o. Thank you po, kuya. Diyan tayo, tabi tayo dyan, Noah. Diyan tayo. Me? Smile. Mama tayo. Noah, Hansi. Hansi, smile.
Lion!
Noah, I love you. Sabi Noah. You're gonna fly.
Papa naman exit way.
We are in Puerto Princesa, Palawan. Ano? Ito pala tayo. Wow! O Kuya Hero, ano ba picture bag? Ganda pa oh. Ano? Smile.
We have the box.
Yeah.
We have the big box. Did we have the big box?
Yeah, picture bag oh.
Atin. Ang ganda mo.
Yay!
Ang ganda mo po.
Yeah, thank you.
Remove your shoes.
Oh, it's time to rest for now because tomorrow we're going to underground river and island hopping, and you will wear your new goggles and snorkels.
Ah! Oh,
Picture?
what's this? A B. A B. What's the sound of A again? Apple. What how? Book. Book. Book.
Ang galing ni teacher Kuya Hans ah.
Noah, now your turn.
Ano, your turn, teacher. Di, your teacher. Noah, teacher. Kuya, teacher Noah muna. Teacher Noah muna.
You go.
Teacher Noah. Oh, teacher Noah, teach us. Go. Kuya Hans.
Noah, pointer.
Ah.
Pointer.
Oh, go. Teacher Noah, you teach us, Kuya. Okay, go. Hey now, listen. Let's listen. Let's all listen to Noah.
So, what's this? Burger. No.
Is that a number?
No, this is a burger.
Okay.
Burger.
Okay, that's a burger, teacher.
That's A. What's this?
That's-
A. What's this? B. What's this? A B C. A. C. D. D. And what's this? C. D.
Morning, Kuya.
No.
Ako po si Angela, ako po yung tour guide ninyo, and then yung driver po natin ay si Kuya Efren. So today, we're going to Underground River po.
Yeah. Listen.
Ayan,
Going to
so
Underground River.
Tour. Ayan, tawagin ko lang po yung mga names, pakilala ko po isa-isa para at least makilala niyo po bawat isa. Para syempre, kasi magkakasama po tayo hanggang matapos po yung tour natin today. Ayan, syempre, una sa listahan, una sa permit, si Ma'am na Abby Villarosa at saka si audio tours, kasi naka-record lang po yung information kung ano po yung makikita ninyo doon sa loob ng game. And then sa multilingual audio device po siya. Pwede kayong mamili ng language na mas prefer ninyo. Meron silang 11 languages na available. Ayan. So, English, syempre, and Tagalog, Korean, Chinese, ano ba yan?
Papa, is this our home? Is this our home? I don't want the hot. Where that? I want the hot dog. I don't want the hot here. I cannot see it.
Yun na. Kuya Hans, the boat is coming, oh. Ayun, oh. Let's go there, oh. Come on. You need to walk to the side. Come on, go.
You want me to carry you? I'll carry you. Come. Yes.
I will carry you. Go.
Didi, what's your name? Life is na yun, nandito dalawin niyo sa bawah.
Ayan na. Hold. Ayan, sir.
Ang baba. Malalim yun dyan.
Ibag mo. Hindi. Alam mo yan. Tapit ha. Tumba ka. Okay, thank you po. Wow! Sorry. Oh yeah. Oh, lambot ng ano ah. I like this. Noah, ilan taong ka na kuya? How old are you? 4. How old is Noah? Noah is? 3 years old. Kada maalikabukan, ay mabuhanginan, tak.
Here!
Good job, Noah. Just follow the trail. Find the treasure. Noah? Are you finding the treasure? Oh yeah. I think Hans and Noah are the youngest of the tourists. Kuya Hans. Noah? Kuya Hans, saan yung cave? Smile. 2, 3. Smile. Smile, guys.
Lalim pala, oh. Lumakang yun. Lalim, oh. The water is lalim, oh. Buti may life vest.
The babies will go first. Oh, babies go. Ano pala tayo dun? Hindi pala tayo dyan.
Ay, wala nga. Wala nga. Sabi na wala. Wala. Diyan sabi mo wala.
Quiet, quiet.
Opo. Baka sa earphone.
Daming fish ko yan, so. Ah. Wow.
Where's the rose?
Kita mo kuya?
Yeah. What's that?
Yung color brown po. Yan yung pupo ng bat. That's why. Ito yung kulay.
Oh, what's out now? Bye-bye, Gabe.
Bye.
Papa. We're back.
Yeah, we're going outside now.
We're going outside. We're going outside now. We're going outside now.
Yay! Yay.
Sun. Sun.
Okay, so good morning everyone. Good morning everybody.
Morning.
Because the night is over. Wake up. Ma'am sir, maraming salamat po sa pagbisita niyo dito sa Puerto Princesa Underground River. At sana po nag-enjoy kayo. So nag-enjoy po ba?
Yes.
Happy?
Yes.
Congratulations po sa inyo lahat. Dahil ngayon po, isa na rin kayong ganap na survive.
Wow.
Thanks yan, we miss.
Yeah.
It's lamaki.
Lamok ko, dami lamok ko.
Dami lamok. Let's go fast. Better if you walk para di ka kagat yung lamok.
Lakad, you need to move your foot eh. Parang lamok.
You need to move your foot.
Sila lang. Sila.
Take a picture. We're waiting to take a picture too.
Oh, find the number 22. There's. Halika dito. Go straight, go straight. Go straight, go straight, no, go straight. Go straight. Run. You just run. Come on. Just run. Yeah, that's right. Good job. Wow, galing. Ah, galing oh. Oh. Galing ah. In, breathe out using your mouth. Okay, so tomorrow while we are swimming with the whale, with the crocodile, and the big fish, we will use that. Okay, so you can swim with them. Tayo kami jeep. Ito ng Robinsons. Hanap kain. Hanap kain. Okay, Marian. Ay, salamat po. Salamat.
Papayag ulan park. Papayag ulan park.
Ulan park. Magaya-gaya, magaya-gaya. Picture, ready? 1, 2, yun, galing.
Taas kamay, taas kamay. Ay, Spider-Man! Spider-Man!
Okay.
My new one.
You have a new one.
New one?
You have a new goggles. That's a face mask. So that you can watch the fish later.
Papa, I did it just
Watch the fish later. Go.
I'll show you.
Ready to jump? Later? Ito kayo nak.
Yung card, ano na tawag yan, sir?
Card, ano? Tapos, ay doon yung...
Yung guard na nagabantay sa naliligo. Basta guard dyan.
Guard dyan.
May malilim.
Sige, malalim. Ito pala, anak. Ito daw muna niya.
Ay, galing naman ng baby.
Galing ah! N-O-A-H! It's Flippy!
No, it's my
Baka
name.
gusto nila ng starfish po. Starfish sir, baka gusto nila
Halika. Let's do a starfish. Come on.
Let's say hello to
Starfish! Halika mo. Lapit ka. Look mo.
Buto.
Banana Q ah. That's banana Q. Heard daw muna siya ng name. That's N-O-A-H. Noah. Come on, take a picture na. Galing talaga, Noah. Ito yan. That's your name? Wow. How do you spell your name? Wow, N-O-A-H. How about you spell the name of Blippi? Galing ah. Nice one. The next letter is L. Next letter is I. Good job. Galing ah. Next letter is P. Ang galing talaga ng Blippi ah. Next letter is
B.
P again.
Kami nakapila ba?
Wow, galing. And then the last letter is I. That's the name of
VP.
Blippi. I'll take a picture. Ang galing talaga. Next time lang name na Blippi.
Noah VP.
Nova Blippi. Nova Blippi.
Yeah, I don't know.
You spell Kuya Hans' name. Come on.
S first.
Okay. S muna. Baligtad. Baligtad.
Selfie na lang.
No, we should be here.
We need bread. We need bread because the fish, when we give the bread to the fish, all the fish come to us. Huh?
Yeah,
Noah.
they eat it.
Yeah, come to us.
They eat it.
No, don't do that, don't do that, don't do that, don't do that.
They eat it, the
Yeah.
bread.
Come on. Noah.
Papa, they eat
Go to
it.
us. Dali. We'll feed the fish, come on. Dami doon. Halika. Ha? Woo! It's island, baby. Island eating. Island lunch. Look, oh. Wow. Island lunch. Sobok ng kong. Cowrie. Wow. Cowrie Island. Kangkong fried. Yummy.
May ano, baso na po kayo? Baso.
Top.
Bye-bye.
Okay, let's go. Smile. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. As Noah. Okay. Sige, okay.
Not there, hands, hands, hands.
Oh, hold mabuti, hold. Hands, Noah. Tingnan mo naman nakahawak.
Are you ready, Noah?
Yes. I don't know what.
Ansi pala.
Mama!
Oh, hawak mabuti.
Mama, ikaw!
I can't. I'm taking the picture.
Hey, Mama!
Cap it. That's too high. Hold lang, that's too high. Oh, wag ka bibitaw. That's super high.
Baba na ikaw. You're finished.
Ang guyat ako, oh. Nagulat.
Oh, go to the horse. Hero. After sumakay ng 2 seconds, ayaw na. Ay, that's not a toy. Ay, Papa, maipit. Papa! Look at Mama. Smile. Do like this.
Smile.
Hansi, careful.
Okay, ready?
Papa, is that sister heart?
Yeah.
No, mataas. Dito tayo sa lower. Oh, one at a time. Wait lang. Mataas. It's too high.
Let's go here, go up.
Papa, ikaw.
Mm-mm.
Oh, dito
Let's
sa
go here
Let's
to
go.
go up.
Just follow the pathway.
Sabi ng sign, no running. Here. Bawal tumambal. Sabi ng sign, no running. Bawal tumakbo. Because we're very high.
Beautiful place.
Bawal mag-dip. Wow, Papa, this is the top of
We are in the Mama, is it?
Ready? 1, 2. 1, 2, 3.
You smile only when it's 3 na.
How do you spell this? How do you spell this, Noah? L. That's Mama's name, Love.
Come on. Doon ka sa L. Hands, don't push. Aray.
I miss you, Nona Mini.
Nana Ricky.
Nona Mini. Hey! Iya!
Dami? Kuya? Thank you to Mama.
Thank you, Mama.
Thank you, Papa.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you, Mama.
Uh-oh. No. Di pwede ulog. Up! Imagine there's alligator on the both sides. Ay, nahulog. Nakain na ng alligator. Oh, go.
I need to follow that one.
Okay, kapalo mo.
Follow that one.
Palo, madali. Ala!
The big one. The big one.
Dali na, dali na. Paiwan tayo ng group.
Oh, the crocodiles.
Hans. Noah. Hindi nila kita. You cannot see.
I want to see.
Okay, albuhat Noah. Oh, yes!
That's Rio, but it's color brown. Oh, let's go back. Oh, bye-bye, Rio.
Hi, friend.
Austin. His name is Austin.
Hello.
Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Yeah. Oh, hush, little baby, don't say a word.
Just the base and your bed.
Hush, little baby, don't say a word. I want the angry face. Ooh, rock the Neverland. Never. Hintay na. Hintay na. Samahan mo muna ako.